Hi, I'm Bruce from Unior Bike Tools. I'm here to introduce our series of Y wrenches. We have a series of 5 Y wrenches. We have hexes, we have torques, and we also have sockets. They're listed below on the video. All of our Y wrenches are insert molded with chrome vanadium steel. They have black oxide tips for the tightest possible tolerance. The ergonomic handle fits great in your hand. You can swap it around to use each of the 3 sizes on each tool. Thanks for spending time with me. Check out Y wrenches at uniorbiketools.com.